Don't let life catch you off guard. Arm yourself with these awesome gadgets that'll keep you connected with loved ones, help you survive emergencies, and even handle those unexpected repairs in the middle of your adventures. Exploring new places is great, but don't forget about your safety. Take a couple of survival tools in case anything unexpected happens. This Phoenix Multitool by SOL may look small, but it combines 8 functions in one body, making it basically a pocket-sized lifesaver. With a retractable flint that's super compact, you'll be able to make a fire anywhere. By the way, take the tinder out of the watertight Tender Quick compartment and use the multi-tool knife with a serrated blade to make kindling and cut your meal. There's even a wrench and screwdriver for any unexpected fixes. A handy LED light with a belt clip might be useful either to find your way in the dark or to send an SOS signal. And just in case things go really south, there's a built-in whistle that you can signal for help from over a mile away. Don't leave home without it. When you're out in the wilderness, clean drinking water is an essential commodity. But carrying around heavy tanks of water can add extra weight to your backpack. That's where the LifeStraw personal water filter comes in. Weighing in at just 2 ounces, this compact filter removes 99% of waterborne bacteria and 99% of waterborne parasites using its microfiltration membrane. It also filters out microplastics and reduces turbidity. With proper use and maintenance, the filter can provide 1,000 gallons of clean and safe drinking water. But what if you don't have a water source near your camp? No problem. Here's a gravity filter system from the same manufacturer that fits up to 270 ounces of water. The durable design is made with premium materials that can withstand any bumps or scrapes along the way. It's super easy to use. Just hang it from a tree or your RV and let gravity do the work. It's optimized for a high flow rate and can even remove sand and silt without clogging. This system will provide you with 500 gallons of fresh water, so there's no risk you'll catch any kind of infection. Sometimes starting a fire in seconds is a vital necessity. The Procamptek Fast Fire Stick is a must-have for anyone who loves the outdoors. It's a compact, packable, and portable fire-starting tinder that can be ignited using a variety of common methods. This stick-shaped tinder is made from compressed cotton infused with a proprietary wax solution, which makes it easy to ignite and long-burning. Additionally, the entire product, including the wrapper, can be used as tinder. The Procamptek Fire Strip Roll is another product worth checking out. It's a waterproof and wax-infused paper tape that's designed to be used as a fire starter. It works just like the Fast Fire Stick, but comes in a roll, making it easy to carry with you on camping trips or hikes. With these fire-starting tools in your pack, you'll never have to worry about being stuck in the cold without a fire. You know those times when you're stuck out in the wilderness without warm clothes? Or when the weather suddenly turns on you? That's when this emergency survival blanket comes in handy. Made from the same material used to protect NASA's Apollo space program equipment from radiation, the Titan Survival Blanket is a perfect reflector of body heat. With up to 90% of your body heat reflected back towards you, you won't have to worry about hypothermia or shock. Additionally, the blanket is waterproof, windproof, and reusable. Plus, it's compact and easy to store, making it perfect for your emergency kit, backpacking, or even your bug-out bag gear. This is a combination of 23 tools in a 4-pound body for literally every outdoor activity. But first things first, martensitic stainless steel and aviation aluminum make this thing sturdy and durable. There are several handles in the package, each containing a particular tool like a knife, a fish spear, a survival whistle, and so on. The number of handles is actually expandable, so feel free to bring the things you need the most. As for the tools, the same device may perform several functions. Take a look, it's a shovel, but turn it over and you've got an axe. Some things like a steel wire saw are a must-have when camping. Finally, the multi-tool is easy to take with you using the storage bag. Holy moly, it's a grenade! Everybody run! Don't panic. The Bug Out Frag Advanced is a fully functional survival kit packed with 33 different survival tools. Made using 45 inches of high-quality paracord, it's lightweight and compact with a pull pin for easy attachment to a pack, belt, or other tactical gear. I have a couple other survival kits for you. Let's take a look at the Prepper's Packed Backpack. This amazing backpack is designed to sustain 2 or more humans for up to 72 hours, no matter what life throws at you. Low battery? Use the 3-in-1 phone charger, radio, and flashlight, which is powered by a crank or solar energy. Nothing to breathe? The package includes N95 masks. Additionally, the kit includes a host of new gear, such as a Scout water filter, reflective UV guard goggles with anti-fog features, and reusable and fixed zip ties in varying lengths. A multi-tool, paracord, knife, and first aid kit are must-haves. And when things get really cold, there's an emergency blanket, winterized work gloves, and hand warmers. You think the first aid kit could be bigger? MyFAK Large Medical Kit is ready to help you out in any situation. Whether you need compression bandages, trauma shears, a thermometer, or even a scalpel, everything's already in this backpack. And don't forget to take a triangular bandana that features printed black survival info on any kind of emergency. Do you think matches aren't powerful and reliable? Well, here's something that'll change your mind. The Typhoon Match Kit is ready to work in any conditions with its heavy-duty construction and 15 windproof and water-resistant Typhoon matches, allowing you to light a fire in any weather. One match can burn up to 30 seconds. The kit features a tube with a water-resistant lid and storage chamber, and an integrated strike pad cap. Additionally, the matches can survive being submerged in water or rain, so you can light a fire in even the most severe conditions. However, you might prefer this fire starter survival tool that can be lit with just one spark from your ferro rod fire starter. Simply fluff the end of the wick, light it up, and use the mobile flame as your multi-purpose tinder for starting campfires. Next up, I have a great multi-tool that combines the most needed stuff for every traveler. There's a single handle and 5 different swappable attachments. So first you have a massive axe with a high carbon blade and included leather sheath. And then in a couple of seconds, the axe transforms into this nice kerf-bladed saw. In case it gets worn, you can find the replacement in the package. On top of that, you get a sharp and sturdy shovel as well as a heavy-duty hammer. Cool. And don't forget about the hook. It comes in really handy when you need to lift a hot pot or open a beer bottle. This tool won't let you down. Planning a big adventure? Make sure to bring along this 11-in-1 carabiner multi-tool that can help you with various tasks while camping. It features an integrated tent stake puller, match striker, and ferro rod striker to help you start a campfire, as well as 5 cutting tools that can handle anything from paper to wood. It also includes a ruler and file, which can come in handy. Simply clip this compact multi-tool to your backpack or keep it in your pocket, and you'll have all the essential tools right at your fingertips. Are you feeling hungry but don't have anything to eat? Why not try hunting for your food with the Barnett Archery High-Speed Crossbow? It's a powerful tool that comes with everything you need to get started. It's really fast and easy to use with a top speed of 380 feet per second and an integrated cock cranking device. The crossbow also has adjustable length and comfortable grip and safety features like a soft lock floating bristle arrow retainer and finger safety reminders. The package includes a multi-reticle scope, quiver, arrows, and an integrated crank cocking device. It's easy to assemble and great for all skill levels. Yikes, that's a hand axe knife! So it features a 4.5-inch blade made of high carbon alloy, which you can actually use as an axe, as a skinner, and a knife, of course. That's not the whole list of the functions this tool can perform. Feel free to use it as a wire cutter, a wrench, or a hammer. I can continue that forever. Here's another product worth checking out. It comes with 20 feet of paracord in 6 colors, a peanut lighter, and a tool with a sheath that has a special notch for cutting paracord without removing the tool. This feature is designed for convenience and safety, so you can quickly and safely cut your paracord without having to use a regular knife. When deep in the woods, your boss will definitely not find you. But what about some other curious guys? Foxes, or even bears. This system is the best way to ask them to stay away. The installation will need some time, tools, and accuracy, but the result is worth it. The way it works is simple. When the animal pulls the wire, it'll release the pull ring and launch a flare. Now both you and the animal know something wrong is happening. We recommend setting up several devices across the perimeter at different heights. There are never too many multi-tools in your pocket, especially if they're handy and reliable like this one. The set includes everything you might need to survive in the woods. The bright flashlight and compass ensure you won't get lost, and when you're ready to take a break, just pull out the fire starter and use the integrated bottle opener that doubles as a hex wrench. Thanks to the large carabiner, you can easily attach the tool to your backpack or belt, and there's a little ring on it for your keys. Imagine having an entire kitchen that easily fits in your bag and travels with you on every camping trip. Well, now you can with this complete set of useful camping equipment. It starts with a super handy kettle that doubles as a cooking pot with a 50-ounce capacity and a removable lid with a secure silicone seal. There's a wide range of additional accessories that turn this thing into a beast, including a portable camping stove that you can carry inside the kettle, which converts heat into electricity so you can charge your phone using the built-in USB port or plug in an additional LED flashlight to cook in the dark. The stove also features integrated fans to control airflow with 3 LED bars showing the current heat level, fan intensity, and battery power. For a complete set, you can also get the extremely compact grill attachment along with the coffee press. So with this kit, you have a whole kitchen in your bag. Here's a keychain you can eat with. Literally, this is a well-designed combo of a spoon and a fork. It's so lightweight and compact, it'll save you a lot of space in your backpack. But the coolest part is that it's more than just a spork. It may also double as a bottle opener and a flathead screwdriver. But there are 3 metric wrench reliefs for emergency repairs. A pry will be useful when opening cans, and a hole in the middle turns this thing into some kind of a defense tool. Cool. The spork also comes with a carabiner, so you can easily clip it to your backpack, jeans, and so on. There's several colors to choose from, but bright yellow, pink, and orange are harder to lose. A never-ending power source is like the philosopher's stone to travelers. Everyone wants to own it, but nobody's seen it. Until now. No, it's not about the stone. This device uses the power of flowing water and turns it into energy. The blades are covered with a protective shield, so no one will get hurt. Okay, secure everything in its place and attach the device's anchor to something secure. When it's full, just plug in a USB to charge up your mobile devices. And when it becomes drained, throw this power plant back in the water and repeat the steps. No water nearby? I suggest using an off-grid wind turbine instead. It'll take you a couple of minutes to assemble, and the 360-degree rotating head will turn the wind into power, allowing you to charge mobile phones, batteries, and other essential small devices. This is a capsule that you can add to your keychain. It measures 2 inches and has a screw-on lid, making it the perfect container for small valuables like cash, pills, and other items. Made of titanium, it's incredibly durable and built to last. The capsule is also designed with a special seal to provide water protection, ensuring that your belongings remain safe and secure. Additionally, the capsule comes with 3 spikes that can be used to turn the device into a grappling hook, perfect for fishing tackle boxes, self-defense, and even holding multiple bags with one hand. It can handle up to 132 pounds. This capsule also doubles as a toothpick, making it a versatile tool for everyday use. Staying in touch with friends and family can be a challenge when you're out of cell coverage. Luckily, there's a solution. With this special gadget, you can send text from anywhere in the world by pairing it with your smartphone. It works by communicating directly through a satellite network, in addition to regular Wi-Fi and cellular connections. You can send seamless two-way messages to your contacts as well as SOS alerts and check-ins. The app also provides a detailed weather forecast. The package includes a USB charging cable, lanyard, and carabiner for easy carrying. With this gadget, nothing will stop you from staying connected. If you want to survive in the wilderness, you need the right tools. Fortunately, most of them are combined into the ultimate gadget called Lifesaber. First, it purifies water quickly using UV power, which is effortless and takes only a few minutes. Second, it has a powerful lantern with a strobe mode, which can be extremely useful in dangerous situations, along with an 85 decibel siren. Additionally, there's an attachment for starting a fire, which produces a 2,000-degree Fahrenheit plasma arc that can withstand wind and rain. Finally, Lifesaber works as a power bank and has a USB port, and recharging the device itself is as simple as twirling it. The large ergonomic handle makes it easy to use so you can take some great photos.